In this video, we'll be reviewing the ASKO 40 series child lock. Power the unit on. As the unit boots up, you will currently see that the unit does not have a child lock active. I'm going to display how to get into the settings menu. Once the settings menu is highlighted, you can tell by the representation of the three stacks. We're going to enter into settings. We can navigate over to the right where we will find child lock. We'll enter into the child lock menu and we can see off is currently selected. Using the right arrow, we'll select on and save our selection. With child lock now on, I will power off the unit, power my unit back on, and as the unit boots up, you will find a message that states child lock is on. Press your left arrow and clock icon for 3 seconds. So I will press my left arrow and clock icon for 3 seconds. This will disable my child lock for 3 minutes, but to fully turn off the child lock, we will go back to the settings menu, enter again with the options button, navigate to child lock, enter into child lock, press to off, and save the child lock is now permanently off.